Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. It's a Chef here again. So today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make a gozleme. It's an easy way, alright. And sometimes you got food left over, so you can use making a gozleme. So it's a traditional Turkish dish. And it's just like a snack. I got whatever I got left over in the fridge. I'm gonna make with that, so I will tell you what I'm using it. Okay, I got this goat cheese. Usually they use a goat cheese in there. I'm using goat cheese. If you cannot find goat cheese, you can use any cheese. And I got some potato, spinach left over, and I got some minced spinach left over, and I got some kebabs here. So I'm gonna and this is very thin. You can see ready-made bread, and you can say chapati and naan, whatever, but it's thin like a paper. So I'm gonna use this for making it. Shall I start now? Okay guys, it's very simple. This is my wrap. Yeah. So I'll just open this wrap. I got some leftover mince here, so I'm gonna put. It's very easy. It's take just a couple of minutes, and you got your wrap is ready. You can use whatever you want to use, whatever you got over left, and it will be something different to eat. Okay. Just this goat cheese, but you can get whole goat cheese very easily. Can find anywhere, but its taste is very nice, different and very good taste. Same, it's very simple. Thing as you got already ingredients in your whatever you want to use it, and you need a cheese. That's it. Okay, this is one I done. Well, turn over. Alright, just press a little bit. Just put on one side, and I'm gonna use all three different. So it's just showing you you can use whatever you got in your fridge left over. So I got some potato, spinach left, and you can use just a spinach as well. I make this so sometimes I just make and leave it in a fridge. You can defrost as well. You can just make a few and defrost it and leave it in the freezer. And whenever you want to feel like it, you can take it out, warm it. Okay guys, same again. I'm just gonna put cheese on there. I mean, I have got everything at home, but I just need to buy this goat cheese. Okay guys, this second one is done. And third one, I'm just using kebabs. This is, you know, the people who cannot make a chapati, so they can buy from shops this kind of chapati wrap. It's so simple. Again, I'm just gonna put cheese in there. Cheese. Yeah. Okay guys, this is done. So now I'm gonna just fry this. Okay guys, why did I cut this into 2 pieces for easy fry? Because that usually have a big pan for frying this, so made a small making pieces. Okay guys, I'm using a butter. So you can use whatever you want to use, if ghee or oil. So I'm gonna just place this on here. I'm gonna do this other side. To get golden. It's like a become paratha, if you know about the paratha. So this is one is done. Place this here. I'll just go with butter on both sides. And I'm just gonna wrap this. Okay, now I'm gonna do my second one. Friend, you can see this both sides is become golden now. So again, what I'm gonna do the foil, and again we're gonna use butter. And I'm gonna wrap this again. So what happens when I leave it in there, and it will get so soft. Okay. Guys, this is our last one. Yeah, we're gonna cook until it's get brown. We're gonna put some butter on top here. Okay guys, if this is ready now, I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put some butter. Okay guys, I'm gonna close it and then I'm gonna dish out. Okay guys, this is gozleme is ready. This is an easy way to make it. It's for everyone. People, some people that do know how to do cooking, they can do it easily as well. So it's very nice and delicious, and it's all whatever I got left over I made with this. So you can make it as well. It's very delicious. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.